Hello rainbows, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I thought I would do a quick mum makeup look. This is basically my go-to makeup when I want to wear makeup but I don't have much time. I pretty much wear this every day at work. It's just quick and simple. My mornings are usually really hectic, especially on Mondays when Lee's already at work and I've got Hazel to get ready for daycare. I've got to do my hair, makeup, get dressed, all this kind of stuff before I start my day. And I usually like to sleep in, so I don't really start getting ready until about 7 a.m. and I usually like to leave the house by about 8 a.m. So I'm going to show you guys how I do my makeup and what products I use. Even though products I use does vary. Not much help, I know. So primer, I won't bother with a primer, to be honest, because it's just an additional thing. I will usually moisturize my face. Foundation, I'm going to be using this Morphe one. This is a new one. I use a combination of F110 and another one that's not in here. I swear most of my time is spent looking for friggin' makeup. So F110 and F100. Two different shades, basically mixing those together with a foundation brush. I find a foundation brush, oh fuck, that's light. I find a foundation brush just to be quick and easy, and that's not in focus, sorry. Just to be quick and easy, don't have to like go and damp my beauty blender. And sometimes with a wet beauty blender, depending on what foundation you use, it can react. So like my RCMA foundations, they're wax based, and if you use water with wax, what happens? Concealer, I usually use my tried and tested Tarte Shape tape. This is the light one. Still go in with the same foundation brush. Then I set that. I don't bake because baking does not work for me. It dries my skin out. It's disgusting. On me, sorry. I'm using Jeffree Star translucent powder. So I just do a light little dust just so my foundation's not tacky when I go in with like bronzer and stuff like that. And usually by about lunchtime, I do just apply a little bit more just over my nose area just to kind of mattify that down. All right, now I do bronzer. I either use Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil or Bahama Mama. I might actually use this powder brush again. I don't bother with any contouring. I just do, inhale with that. I just do some bronzer to warm up my face. So I do my forehead, my cheeks. I don't really do down the sides of my nose, but I do on the tip of my nose. Sometimes I'll lightly brush down the sides, not massively though. And I also do on my eyelids. So this is kind of my eyeshadow. Still all with the same brush, just quick and easy. Still again with the same brush, I'm gonna do blush, which I like the Hot Mama by The Balm. It's just like a nice natural, but it's kind of got like a little shimmer. It's just really pretty. So again, that just adds a little bit more color. Any excess I dust over. Forehead, again, lids. All right, brows. I usually use a brow pomade. I love Pony Cosmetics, and this one is also designer brands. So Pony Cosmetics and designer brands I love. Lost the lid to this, but even though it's dry as a nun's tit, it still works quite well. So I mainly do the outer portion. Really need to wax my eyebrows. I don't fill in massively. I basically do those lines. Having eyebrow tattoo makes it so much easier. And then any excess that's on my brush, I kind of just fix up any areas where the tattoo's kind of diminished and just lightly brush over that. So it's not much, but I mean, you guys can kind of see that difference. I do have so many eyebrow tutorials as well for people out there that don't have any normal natural brow like I didn't before I got my brow tattoo, so I'll link them below for you guys. But seriously, having brow tattoo, oh, changed my life, changed my makeup game. It's just so much quicker because the shape's there. I just kind of fill it in. And even when I wax my brows, which I do at home, just, oh, so much easier. All right. Liner, I do love a wing liner. I'm using the Quick Flick. It's so quick and easy. This one is the To The Point one, which is the skinny one, and I do have a review of pretty much all of them here on my channel, if you guys wanted to check that out. So basically you do the little stamp, you switch to the other end and fill it in. And because I do have slightly hooded eyes, especially in that outer corner, I also share in those videos how you can tweak your liner to kind of match in and work in with the hood of your eye. Alright, next up, mascara. Any mascara will do. I don't bother with falsies at work, it's just too much effort. So if I'm wearing my makeup like this, I only put mascara on my top lashes, just because my lower lashes look a little bit, kind of looks like I've made a mistake and like my mascara is smudged or something like that, because my natural lashes are so sparse, especially if I've got no shadow along the lower lash line, it just doesn't look right. So I tend to leave it blank. Alrighty, lastly I'm going to do some setting spray, a little bit of highlighter and some gloss. And out of focus again, man. Setting spray, this one is just Scandinavia. It's an oil controlling one, but honestly, I will use whatever I can find. I don't think my skin's particularly oily. Ooh. So pretty much whatever I can find. Now I'm going to use Ray Rider. This is a highlighter by Kaleidos. It has kind of crumbled, but it's such a beautiful shade. So I'm like, oh, just want to use it. I don't go for anything that's insanely blinding, just because my makeup is, you know, more on that kind of natural side. I do sometimes grab some on my finger under the brow bones, in that inner corner, sometimes on my nose if I want, my lip, wherever. Just depends on my mood on the day. So that is pretty much that. And then lips, sometimes I'll do lipstick, sometimes I'll do nothing. Just take any foundation off my lips, because I do have my lips tattooed, which makes my life so much easier. But today I think I'll do this little pencil. This is like a pencil lipstick. It's by Inika and it's in pink nude. And it's really nice and creamy, it's not drying, but it lasts a long time, and this looks really nice and natural. So that is pretty much it. And then obviously, because I'm, you know, at work, I do wear my glasses, and I feel like, you know, that gives me a little bit more color or a little bit more definition or whatever. Obviously with all the lights you get all that reflection. Yeah, I feel like this makeup's plenty for work. I've been filming for 13 minutes exactly now, so this makeup would definitely take me under 10 minutes because I talk a lot. And normally I wouldn't be like, hey, I'm using this next, I'm using this next. Normally I'm just like bam, and it's done. So yeah, this is basically my go-to fresh, flawless, flawless, it's not really flawless, but fresh-faced work makeup, going out makeup, whatever makeup, Sunday makeup, whatever. Even if I don't want to do liner and I just do mascara, or even no liner, no mascara, and just do all the base kind of stuff, that still looks really nice as well. So yeah, that is pretty much my go-to, quick and easy. I can usually smash that out 10 minutes in the morning, and yeah. All right, rainbows, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, all that jazz, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.